Hello, hello. It's me, Jess, and I'm back with a job seeker video. And I want to talk about this that I'm seeing on LinkedIn right now. I've been on LinkedIn lately and I'm seeing posts like this. One woman says, "So all the rumors are true. I applied to a few jobs on Indeed and got faster responses than the months it's taken me to get a rejection on LinkedIn. Spreading the word to all job seekers, expand your search to Indeed." And this person had 97 comments, 535 other people that reacted to the post, and 6 reposts on LinkedIn. Another woman, literally on the same day, I think, I saw a post, 2 offers, exclamation point, thanks Indeed, tagging Indeed. Indeed equals 2 out of 2. LinkedIn equals 0 out of, what is this, 10 million, and far more applications. And they're tagging the hashtags, oh yeah, offers, job seekers, LinkedIn, Indeed. This got over 1,000 likes or reactions and 195 comments and 12 reposts. So I need to figure this out because you guys know I have not been a very big fan of Indeed. I saw it as trash. I've gone on there recently. I do think it's gotten a little bit better, but I'm not seeing what these folks are talking about. So, if you have landed a job recently, I would say recently would be within the past 6 to 8 months from applying to a job you found on Indeed. Let me know in the comments, but also let me know what type of job you found on Indeed, because my suspicion is the type of jobs that, based on my prior experience with Indeed and recently, are maybe sales, customer service are easy to find on Indeed, and maybe some technical jobs. But in general, your basic professional jobs that I would be looking for, HR, recruiting related, accounting, finance, all of that are more catered to LinkedIn, along with your marketing, your PR, all of that. Anything under that umbrella would be more fitting for LinkedIn. But has something changed? Has your experience changed from LinkedIn to Indeed? Because I had been saying LinkedIn is really strong. I'm actually having my doubts about LinkedIn lately. It could just be the market that we're in right now. It is a employer market versus a job seeker market, meaning it's way easier for employers to find candidates because there's so many job seekers out. Or has Indeed changed something? Is it that, hey, now it is easier to find jobs on Indeed? So I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear your experience, and I actually want you to share what type of job you found on Indeed. So you guys know I had that video about Indeed is trash. Maybe I'm changing my mind. Let me know your comments, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.